right, friends, the time has come to say goodbye to the magical monster loofah plant. We've gotten a lot of rain the last couple of weeks, so there's a bunch of powdery mildew. I'm not going to be able to let these loofah dry out on the vine, so I'm going to have to process some green. We got some massive ones in here. So today I'm just going to be cleaning this up, harvesting them, seeing how many I can get, and we'll go from there. Let's get started. So here's the powdery mildew on these leaves, and I actually need this bed because I'm going to plant my garlic here, but look at all of those. This is just amazing, insane. There's tons of them. They're everywhere. The bees are still loving it, but it is time. All right, this is what's left over of my magical loofah plant. I made sure that there were no leftover loofahs in there. I'll get in here and clean this out a little bit in a couple days and get this bed prepped for garlic. There was some ants over here, so I'll treat that as well. But until next season, this is our massive loofah harvest. I mean, look at the size of that guy right there. Just huge. How about this one? Amazing. Like, this is just ginormous. Like I said, I will be processing all of these early, so it'll take a little bit longer. And here's the cool brown one. Let's go inside and open up and see what that's all about, because I've only ever processed these when they're green. This is gonna take a lot of time to process. I did check out that brown loofah that looked dried up, but it was rotten on the inside. And that's another thing, it's kind of hard for these guys to dry out here on the vine because we do get a lot of rain. It's gonna be really tough to process all of these loofah green. So I decided that when I was dehydrating some peppers that I would try to dehydrate these loofah, and I stuck them in the oven at 250 for 40 minutes. And the skin on them just peels off so easily. So you take them out, you let them cool, and then you can just peel back the skin so easily. Rinse them, let them dry. Actually, after you take them out of the oven, just cut some slits in them so that the air can kind of flow and the juices can seep out. But as you can see, it is so easy to peel away this skin. All right, so this worked out really well with cooking the loofah in the oven and then peeling off the skins, and essentially put a fan on them to help with the drying process because it's pretty humid here. And I'm going to do more than this, but this was the first round and they are completely dry and ready to be processed. I'm doing these ones. I haven't really done ones as full, so I'll just try and get these seeds out. But I would say this is a success and I'm excited about it because I have so many loofah to process. But thanks for joining, everybody. If you want to know what I do with these, how to make them look fancy and nice, head over to my video where I process loofah and turn it into a sponge. Have a great day, everybody.